こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make Japanese BBQ Oyster Mushroom Rice Bowl. Rice bowl dishes are called Donburi mono in Japan. They are typically quick to prepare, versatile, and a popular choice for both casual dining and home cooking. Today, Mumu is making a mouth-watering vegan donburi mono featuring oyster mushrooms, glazed with a sweet and savory Japanese barbecue sauce, and served on a fluffy bed of steamed rice. This delicious rice bowl is irresistibly Moorish and guaranteed to satisfy. Okay, let's get started. First, cut a quarter of an onion into slices. Finely chop half a spring onion. This is for garnish. Next, let's make the barbecue sauce. In a bowl, place half a teaspoon of grated ginger, half a teaspoon of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder. If you don't have stock powder, you can crumble a vegetable stock cube instead. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and mix. The barbecue sauce is done. Tear 140 grams of oyster mushrooms into bite-sized pieces and place them in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornflour or potato starch, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Mix everything well with your hand to coat the mushrooms evenly. Heat half a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and stir fry until softened. Then transfer them to a plate. In the same frying pan, add another half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add the oyster mushrooms. Spread them out in a single layer and fry until golden brown on both sides. Once the mushrooms are beautifully browned, return the onions to the frying pan. Pour in the barbecue sauce. Stir everything together and cook for about 1 minute until the sauce thickens. Then remove from the heat. To assemble the dish, place 1 portion of steamed short grain plain rice in a serving bowl. Top the mushroom and onion mixture over the rice, including the sauce. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and garnish with the chopped spring onions. できた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Moo said. The oyster mushrooms and onions are so juicy and tender, and they are perfectly glazed with the flavorful Japanese BBQ sauce. The fluffy steamed rice ties everything together beautifully. Whether you are craving something hearty or just want a quick delicious meal, this rice bowl is a winner. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね